United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 46, Use of terms, for the purposes of this convention. A. Archipelagic state means a state constituted wholly by one or more archipelagos and may include other islands. B. Archipelago means a group of islands, including parts of islands, interconnecting waters, and other natural features, which are so closely interrelated that such islands, waters and other natural features form an intrinsic geographical, economic and political entity, or which historically have been regarded as such.